Day 4 of the winter session of Parliament and no business was conducted today either. Both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha have been adjourned till tomorrow after continued ruckus over Telangana and the JPC report on the 2G scam. The Rajya Sabha has been adjourned after the BJP objected to the Joint Parliamentary Committee report on 2G being tabled. Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman declined the BJP's demand to allow discussion on that report.
I was a member of JPC. We have given strong dissent notes whereby those really responsible for corruption of 1,76,000 crore have been left out, evidence has been ignored.
The drama unfolding in the Parliament a day after the Lok Sabha Speaker refused to let the opposition voice its objections to the bill, claiming it was beyond the ambit of the rules.
The committee is required to present its report to the House. I may add that there is no provision in the rules which permits discussion or raising of objections before presentation of a report.
But this assertion failed to cut any ice with the opposition faction.
Can the chairman of any committee just delete unparliamentary words, correct language, or can he alter the substance of that dissent?
That's what
if he alters the substance of the dissent, the chairman is guilty of a breach of privilege.
This democratic method was completely dispensed with in order to enable Mr. Chako to have a smooth sailing in the Parliament House.
Meanwhile, the opposition underscored its objections with the report, dubbing it a farce.
एक तरह से भ्रष्टाचार को छिपाने और भ्रष्ट लोगों को बचाने के लिए ये काम किया गया है.
It's been a stormy session in the Parliament so far, and as the relentless opposition sharpens its attack, the government finding itself completely cornered.
The government is ready to debate and discuss and then to pass the Lokpal bill, but the House has to run because unfortunately the opposition parties are stalling the proceedings of the House. And as far as the government is concerned, that we wanted the bill to be passed, and we are giving a top priority on that.
I don't think that there is a provision for moving a no confidence motion on this issue. What the Speaker has done is strictly according to the rules. What the Chairman of the JPC has done is what he is expected as per rules to do. So submitting the report, a majority report to the Speaker when the House is not in session, and presenting the report to the Parliament the earliest opportunity when the Parliament is in session, both are done as per rules. And what Yashwant Sinha is saying is not supported by any rules, practices or conventions. I think a senior leader of Yashwant Sinha's stature should not have taken this position. He is misleading his own party. I am told that he raised this in the Parliamentary Party Executive in the BJP. Some senior members in the BJP should have advised him to desist from these denigrating the parliamentary institution. He was present there, he voted against the report, but 16 people supported the report. It's a majority accepted report. You know what Shaktaran Kaul says? The rule book of Parliament, Shaktaran Kaul says that decision of the majority committee report should be treated as a decision of the Parliament's report. Nothing denigrating the report should be said by any member. So that means, they are violating all the rules of the Parliament.